Recently I joined a free 2-hour YTA online course and learned about the basics of YTA. Let me share it with you. YTA is a new way of making money on YouTube. It stands for YouTube Automation, which means you can make passive income with it. To do YTA, you first need to understand OPC. With OPC, you can make viral videos daily without worrying about not having new ideas. OPC stands for Other People's Channel, which means you can make videos by modeling other people's channel. Big channels have tried many things and ways to make viral videos, and the ones that succeed are the viral ones. You can go on YouTube and search for the most viewed channel in your niche with filter. Now you can choose one to model. Remember to focus on modeling its thumbnail and title, as it is the most important on getting views. But with OPC, you still need to work to earn money. This is not passive income. At this point, you need a team. You can hire people online on Fiverr or Upwork. You can use money to make money. But some of us don't even have money to hire people. What can we do then? 1. We can hire people that work for free. 2. We can ourselves make some money on YouTube and then hire people. The last step is kind of far away if you're still a small YouTuber. It is scaling into YouTube Empire, which is make another channel that also makes you passive income. Only do this when you can make passive income without touching the first channel. This is simply a redo process. I share this new way of making money on YouTube because I want to help YouTubers that want to full-time make money on YouTube. You can still have many questions about YTA. I have many too, because I have no money to join the expensive masterclass which explains YTA in detail. We can discuss YTA in the comments below, or Discord. The link is in the description. If you want to work with me for free until we make money, we can give you money if we make some, I guess. Hope you learned stuff in this video and be sure to like and subscribe. See ya! Hey guys, I'm Klank and I'm just voiceovering this video. With that said, hope you enjoyed the video. And by the way guys, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link is probably in the description and Squiderman allows me to put it there. Please join. I have like 2 subscribers right now. I need them.